Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox the brand new IMILAB W12. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, what materials is made of, what we have in the software, and we will run some tests and see if this watch is worth to buy. In the next video we will see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. Let's begin immediately to describe the new IMILAB W12. It has 1.32-inch HD screen. It is matched with a soft silicone strap to make the body high in hardness and scratch resistance, and the strap is durable. Offers us 30 days standby and 15 days with normally use with 330 mAh power battery. Also, this watch is IP68 waterproof, so it will resist the water while you are washing the hands or doing something else. As you can see in the box, we have the magnetic charging cable, user manual. And it has plenty of options like changing watch faces notification, health caring like sleep monitoring, workout, heart rate, blood oxygen monitor. It allows you to view your levels 24 hours a day. Now let us see the watch option. We have here date for daily activity, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, weather report, sleep monitoring. When you connect with phone you can remote music player from watch. When you sweep down you can see date, battery percent, brightness, D&D, find phone and setting option. When you sweep up will show all notification which you have received on your phone. We have the training for the workouts. Here we have running, walking, cycling, climbing, spinning bike, yoga, skipping, gymnastic, badminton, ping pong, boating, sit-ups. These are some of the sport that this watch supporters. You can tracking your progress and set goals specific to you. On the main menu also has status of activity, heart rate, blood oxygen, weather, sleep, music control, message and more. And in the settings you can see off, restart, brightness, dial when you can change face watch, and on the app download has QR code of application. You can download Android and iOS application. Let us see some option and statistic which we have. Now we will try heart rate and blood oxygen test and see the result. As you can see is measuring, and we have the first results, very fast result, and we have some statistics in the watch, which is a very good thing. These data will be saved, and we can see in the app for us later to check all what we did from the session, and also we have the whole day heart rate which we can check out at the end of the day. In daily or weekly periods we can see the weather forecast. As you can see, when you receive any notification you will get noticed in watch, Also, you can read message or whatever notification you get on your phone. In the next video you will see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find in this video some interesting and helpful things. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.